Welcome to paradise. Don't miss Assad. Like, don't miss it. Like, like it's really hot in here. For fluff content for your consideration, this is If Jinnah Had a Travel Vlogger. Welcome to Jannah, where all of your problems have been resolved. I did miss Assad a few times in my earthly life, and so I was given the bare minimum package, which is the equivalent of a one-bedroom apartment on the south side of Chicago, but green cushions. Now, in the pious package, you do get a palace and you get pure spouses who are gorgeous. In the bare minimum package, unfortunately, you get a semi-pure spouse, and they do not look like Yusuf, unfortunately. They look more like a very aged